Welcome back to Adam's DIY Universe, and this series is about stringing tennis rackets. My son and daughter play a lot of tennis, and so I bought myself the Prince 5000 stringing machine off a man who was closing down his pro shop, and I'm going to show you how to string a tennis racket using this machine. First of all, you go over to the right hand side here and you turn the switch on. And you'll see the machine start to get itself ready, calibrate itself, and it's sitting on 50 pounds of tension. That can be done in kgs or pounds. But my son has the tension of 52 pounds on his racket, so I press the up arrow to make that 52, and then I need to put the tennis racket over here with these clamps, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to do that and get it set up for stringing a racket.